have information that you and your deputy, Gachagua, you have intention to finish the life of Raila Odinga. I have that information. And I have it because even Gachagua himself announced it and said that we are going to now deal with Raila finally. We are going to deal with him conclusively. That the demonstrations will be the last of Raila again. When you say that this is going to be the last of him, what do you mean? You mean to say you want to take the life of Raila. But I want to warn you, Ruto, that if you attempt Ruto the life of Raila, I tell you that Kenya will be worse than Rwanda. I must warn you that Kenya will be worse than Rwanda. And I also know something else, that our so-called development partners who are your friends are privy to this information. They are privy to this information and they condone it. They condone it. And we are also warning them. We are warning them to keep off the affairs of Kenya. Kenya is for Kenyans. And we know it much better than all of them. Whatever they are bringing as advice should just be an advice and it should be there. But we also know that you are the one who put Ruto in power. That is why whatever he wants to do, you are trying to defend. But we are warning you, please, please, for goodness sake, keep off the affairs of Kenya. Okadwa noyo mokadho kanyo. Asengi sogimo awacho pacha, okay na wacho gima